Ka Composite Regional Centre for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, KHASI Shillong, lembat ka tanat social welfare, kila Pynlong ya ka aid distribution cam lani ka program sam Jingïarap menta kasngi ha ususot ham auditorium Shillong. Kani ka program ka balong shibenta ni ka Jingïarap ya ki Briew Kiba Duna Dkhot met ban yo ya ki scheme ban thiet ban pendat ya ki tiar ai Jingïarap uba po lingdo haba ai jingkren ha Jingyalang ula penpau ya ka Jinglong ba kongsan ban pendon kam ya ka bor ka ikhtiar na ka benta ki kam babha ha ka ba ula penslur ki nong wan ya shimbenta ban pendon kam ya ki sap ki pong jong ki ban ai jing mentoy ya ka long Briew man Briew pat ya ki pateng paket ban sawan.
My message would be to remind ourselves that most of us have eyesight, but few of us have vision. Most of us have feet, but most of us do not move forward in life. Most of us have both our hands intact, and yet most of us do not use those hands to bless others. Therefore, on an occasion like today, let us recommit ourselves to use all that God has blessed us with for the sake of humanity and for the sake of this generation and future generations.
Ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council